Welcome back. I'm pleased you've joined me once again. Now, this is my serious face. All right, I'm very serious now. We are going to talk about practicing. Very serious is practicing, or not, as the case may be. Let me explain. If you're going to learn how to play the sax, you have to actually play the sax. You need to take it out of its case, you need to put it together, and you need to actually put it in your mouth and blow and wiggle your fingers. Now from there, it doesn't really matter what you do and for how long you do it for. Obviously, the more you do it, the more often you do it, the better it will be. Practice is really important. It's like everything, especially when you're learning something new. So, may I make a suggestion? It is better to do 5 minutes practice every day than it is to do one session of 30 minutes, half an hour a week. Okay, so let me say that again. It is better to do 5 minutes every day than one session of 30 minutes once a week. And if you want to extrapolate on that, if you want to go a bit further, well, it's actually better to do 10 minutes every day than it is to do 1 hour every week. Okay, so please, can I suggest at least 5 minutes, preferably 10, maybe more, every day? And the key is every day. Or maybe if that doesn't fit into your schedule, every second day, whatever, but as often as is possible. So what does that mean? Well, then that raises the question, well, what do I actually practice? How do I practice? What do I do when I practice? Well, the first thing, like I said before, take your sax out of its case, put it together, put it in your mouth, blow, whatever you would like. Play whatever you want. Play your style of music. If you are into death metal, then go death metal. If you're into nice kind of classical, then yes, play some nice classical music. If you're into funk or jazz or rock or roll or blues or whatever, Christmas carols, birthday songs, you know, nursery rhymes from when you're a kid, it doesn't matter. Play whatever you would like. Maybe a little bit of guidance, maybe a little bit of suggestion. What I would suggest and what I would recommend you do when you put your sax together, the first thing you should do is a couple of scales. Da na 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 na. Maybe 2 octaves. Da na 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 na, etc. Do up and down, a couple of different scales. In this series of lessons, we've talked about C major, we've talked about D major scale, we've talked about F major scale, to name but a few. So maybe do 2 or 3 each of those. It'll take you 1 minute. Do that. Next, have a little bit of a play with maybe some of the songs that we've done in the past. Previous lessons. Go back, play some previous lessons. Maybe you don't need to do the whole lesson again unless you want to, but towards the end, play the whole song from the previous lessons. Another suggestion would be get your phone out, get the headphones on, put your earbuds in, put your headphones on, press play on your music of choice and just play along. Just join in. Like we did in a previous lesson with Pharrell Williams and Happy, 'Cause I'm Happy. Just play. Just play. That is my recommendation to you. Just play. Play often. Play as much as you want to. If it's too hard, if it's frustrating, put it away, come back to it and play again. So 5 minutes minimum every day is better than 30 minutes once a week. Go for it. Saxophone is fun. If it's not fun, play a different song. If you've got any questions, if you've got any comments, if you've got any queries, please feel free to ask me, send me a message, let me know, but make it fun. Whatever is fun, my definition of fun is different than your definition of fun, and that's okay. That is okay. Play the music and the style that you want to play. Just do it every day. That's all. So that's my rant. That's my very serious face. It's not that serious. Practice makes perfect. Yes, it does. Especially with musical instruments. So my My request to you is play your sax. Excellent. My name is Matthew, and I'll talk to you in another lesson at another time. Thank you.